Yo, ironic.
To set the temperature, here is the way. On a thermostat valve at the start of the day. You're gonna start by flushing the cold flow. Before anything else, you just need to know. Then you must set the stop so the lever remains still. We had to back out the small screw to meet the right skill. Now it stops in its place and I'm checking the heat. 100 degrees is the number we meet. We made it a little bit hotter for the customer, you see, but it's perfectly safe, you can trust me. Then check the hot side and the cold side as well. If the temperatures please, ring the final day bell.